Wow, that switch is worn. Oh, come on now. Alright, US. I don't know why they have this thing keyed off. Shit. This would have been a cool one. Looks like it had the skinny version of the COP. It's a shame. .220 State Street, Los Altos.